Congratulations, you've made it to the end of Chapter 1. You need to prepare now for the chapter test. At the end of the chapter, there's a section on summary and vocabulary. This is a good thing to review, understand what you should have learned along the way, what is deemed important. It gives you a chance to look at what is the vocabulary that was presented in the chapter. You should be knowledgeable of those terms and know what they mean in a mathematical sense. And then lastly, there are theorems and properties. These are the rules of algebra, and it's important that you know them and know how they can be used, because these are the tools we use to allow us to solve algebraic equations as we move along. So this is a good review. Make sure you know this stuff. If you go to the next page on it, there's a self-test. These are kind of nice because the self-test has a set of questions that covers much of what was in the chapter. It also has in the back of the book a set of solutions and answers to all the questions. So if you've gone through it and you got it right, great. If you didn't, you can look at the solution, try to understand how you might do it, but it also then references each question is referenced to a subject matter and chapter in the book. So you could go to, using that, it'll take you to Objective A, Lesson 1-1, if you missed a problem along those lines. Here are some review problems you could do to help you practice getting that done, and it also points you at the lesson that you could go back and look at. All of this is part of preparing for a quiz. Now, you don't need to do all of the chapter review problems. They're there for you to practice and prepare in order to get ready for a test. Having missed a problem, not practicing and going into a test is not a good way to succeed on a test. You need to be able to understand how to do it correctly, practice doing it right, then you can be successful on the test. So this is the end of chapter stuff. I recommend you go through it, whatever your choice may be. When you're ready, let me know and come see me so you can get your test. And good luck with it. I wish you the best and hope you can move on to Chapter 2.